Hey, I'm Marty Blackwell, plumbing department here at ACC, and I wanted to introduce to you Hall, our otter, our mascot at ACC. And Hall has asked me to come over and give you guys a tip during this COVID-19. As you all know, toilet paper these days is very difficult to find, and so what we want to try to assist you with, and we ought to avoid doing, is flushing just anything down the toilet, because that's going to be a potential clog in the toilet. Kleenex, paper towels, maybe even wipes, baby wipes. So there's solutions to this that we probably ought to look into, get creative during this time. And if you happen to get a clog, okay, you can always go for the old plumber's helper plunger. You can go with the closet auger, or if you have a bad clog, you can call one of our local plumbing contractors to help you out. Outside of that, I would suggest that you go online. There's plenty of places online to look for no toilet paper, no problem, and they'll help you out with some ideas there. So we look forward to seeing everybody back at ACC.